Steak and eggs. Coffee. Yum. I revarnished the door. Oil stains everywhere, but I fixed the leak. A degreaser works. All better. Might as well do the sidewalk, though, since I got all this stuff out. This is like a 2-hour job here. I have to move the wand real slow, or it leaves a little bit behind. Gotta have patience. Artisan rocks. Now where's that stubborn bunny I call Snow? I let her out all week. Where would a lazy person hide?
There you are. My tool shed bunny.
Look what Sophie made me. It's made of paper, but it's missing legs.